This is Brian Lacarrubba, Manager of Strategy and Transformation at Third Stage Consulting. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about 3 ERP software selection must-dos. These are 3 things that there are a lot of different ways you can approach a software selection, but there are these 3 things that you need to do no matter how you're doing it. So first of all, align your leadership on your strategy first. If you don't have that alignment, you will run into problems and derail the project later as you start having disagreements and different directions on how things are supposed to go. You need to have a clear and common direction. The leaders need to be the ones who are pushing that and driving that throughout the organization. The second must do in a software selection is that you need to remember that your benefits are going to come from people changing their behavior to utilize software capabilities. The benefits are not going to come from the actual technology itself. No matter how powerful the technology, it's still running on people, and it's running on your people doing the things they need to do to serve your customers, to execute on your processes. So you can have the fanciest MRP planning software in the world that's going to have all the capabilities to save you a lot of money and order more effectively. But if you are still in a position where the person who's used to driving all the orders is still going to insist on manually taking a look at every single one of them and making their own adjustments and doing those extensive reviews and touch points on it, you're going to limit the benefits that you get out of that. Which isn't to say that you cut someone like that out of the picture. It's just saying you need to take a look at how your people are going to interact with these processes and make sure that you adapt it to the capabilities the technology provides. The third tip and must do in a software selection is that you cannot expect perfection. No system is going to be everything that you ever wanted. You can expect that you can demand a lot of your vendors, and you can expect excellence in the system, and you can expect a good fit for your most critical needs and focus on that. But there are going to be gaps, there are going to be challenges, there are going to be things that aren't perfect, and you need to be prepared for that and not expect the world. Otherwise, you're going to not have success, and you're going to have misaligned expectations as you try to get the software to do everything in the world that may not always be as important as meeting your key needs. So those are my 3 key tips and must-dos for an ERP software selection. This has been Brian Lacarrubba, Manager of Strategy and Transformation at Third Stage. And I encourage you, if you need help on your software selection or any part of your ERP journey, please follow us on Third Stage YouTube channel or reach out to me directly.